What's up, kids who technical? I'm back again with another video today. I wanted to show you how to back up your data on any Samsung device. Some people may know how to do this, some people may not know how to do this. So first you would need to just go into your settings app, and once you're in your click on it, and once you're in your setting app, you need to locate account and backups. As you can see, it's right there, account and backups. Once you find this, you want to click it, and once you're into account and backups, then you want to just hit backup data. It'll give you other choices, but right now we just want backup data, and I'm going to click on that. And once I'm in here, it'll give you everything you can back up. So you can back up your call logs, your messages, your calculator, your calendar, your contacts, settings, home screen, and apps. And you can check and uncheck which ones you would love to have backed up. And once you figure that out, you want to hit backup, and you just want to let it run its course. It's going to back up everything that you had checked, and then the things that you unchecked, it will not back up those things. But you just want to let this run. Make sure it fully backups everything on your device, and you just wait while it's doing a backup. This is easy, so if you would love to transfer your data to another smartphone, you will not have that much problems, because it'll do the work for you as long as you back your data up. Once it's done, it'll say 100%. It says all data is backed up. So now you just hit done, and you're done. It's the exact same steps for restoring your data. You will just click on the latest date that you want to restore. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel. I'm out.